Welcome to Crypto Mining Made Easy, a step-by-step guide. Cryptocurrency mining can be a rewarding endeavor, allowing you to earn digital assets by contributing to the security and operation of blockchain networks. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your mining skills, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up and optimizing your mining operation. Let's dive into the fascinating world of crypto mining. Chapter 1. Understanding Cryptocurrency. Mining. 1.1. What is cryptocurrency? Mining. Cryptocurrency mining is the essential process that underpins the security and functionality of blockchain networks. It involves miners, individuals, or entities who dedicate their computational resources to solving complex mathematical problems. These problems serve two primary purposes: validating transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. Proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS, are two of the most prevalent consensus mechanisms used in cryptocurrency mining. POW relies on miners solving computational puzzles to validate transactions and compete to add blocks to the blockchain. In contrast, POS selects validators based on the number of cryptocurrency coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. 1.2. Mining rewards. Mining rewards are the incentives that motivate miners to participate in the network and secure its integrity. In most cases, miners are rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency coins, known as block rewards, and transaction fees paid by users for processing their transactions. To calculate potential mining profitability, miners must consider factors such as the cost of mining hardware, electricity expenses, and the current mining difficulty. Profitability calculations provide valuable insights into whether a mining operation is economically viable and can help miners make informed decisions regarding hardware investments and operational costs. Chapter 2. Getting started with mining hardware. 2.1. Choosing the right hardware. The choice of mining hardware significantly impacts a miner's success and profitability. ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, are highly specialized machines designed to efficiently mine specific cryptocurrencies. In contrast, GPUs, graphics processing units, are more versatile and adaptable, making them suitable for a broader range of coins. When selecting mining hardware, it's essential to align your choice with your mining goals and budget constraints. ASICs offer high hashing power for specific coins, while GPUs allow for flexibility and the ability to switch between different cryptocurrencies. 2.2. Setting up your mining rig. Configuring your mining rig properly is paramount for efficient and sustainable mining operations. This chapter provides a step-by-step guide to assembling your mining rig and offers critical insights into maximizing its performance. Proper cooling and ventilation are essential to prevent overheating and ensure the longevity of your mining hardware. Likewise, securing a stable and sufficient power supply is crucial to maintain consistent mining operations without interruptions caused by power outages. These essential setup considerations are key to getting your mining rig up and running smoothly. Chapter 3. Selecting the right cryptocurrency. 3.1. Mining algorithms. Mining algorithms dictate the compatibility between mining hardware and cryptocurrencies. Each algorithm has its unique requirements and characteristics, making certain cryptocurrencies more suitable for specific hardware setups. In this chapter, we delve deeper into mining algorithms such as SHA-256, Ethash, and others, providing insights into the cryptocurrencies that are profitable to mine with your chosen hardware. 3.2. Joining a mining pool. Solo mining, while possible, often presents challenges due to its unpredictability. Mining pools offer a more consistent and reliable way to earn rewards by combining computational resources with other miners. In this section, we explore the concept of mining pools and guide you in choosing a reputable pool to optimize your chances of receiving consistent rewards. Joining a mining pool allows you to be part of a collaborative effort, ensuring a more stable income stream and reducing the variability inherent in solo mining. Chapter 4. Mining Software and Wallets. 4.1. Mining Software. Selecting the right mining software is critical for optimizing the performance of your hardware. This chapter explores various mining software options that are compatible with your specific hardware configuration. It also covers the configuration settings required to maximize your mining efficiency. Mining software is essential for connecting your hardware to the blockchain network, receiving work assignments, and submitting solutions to the network. Configuring the software correctly is crucial for efficient mining and ensuring that you receive your fair share of block rewards and transaction fees. 4.2. Cryptocurrency Wallets. To safely store the cryptocurrencies you mine, you'll need a secure cryptocurrency wallet. This section delves into the various types of wallets, including hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. It also highlights best practices for wallet security to protect your hard-earned mining rewards. Choosing an appropriate wallet is crucial for safeguarding your digital assets. Understanding the differences between hot and cold wallets and how to use them effectively ensures that your cryptocurrency holdings remain secure from potential threats. Chapter 5. Mining Operations and Maintenance. 5.1. Starting your mining operation. With your mining rig set up and configured, it's time to kickstart your mining operation. This chapter provides guidance on how to begin mining and monitor your hardware's performance. It also includes troubleshooting tips for common mining issues and optimizing settings for stable and efficient mining operations. Starting your mining operation is an exciting step, but it's essential to be prepared for potential challenges. Regular monitoring, adjustment of settings, and swift responses to any issues ensure the continuous operation of your mining rig. 5.2. Regular maintenance. To prolong the life of your mining hardware and maintain optimal performance, establishing a regular maintenance routine is essential. This chapter emphasizes the importance of cleaning, inspecting, and replacing components as needed. Maintaining your hardware not only extends its lifespan, but also helps prevent costly downtime due to equipment failures. Proper maintenance practices are key to ensuring the ongoing success of your mining operation. Chapter 6. Managing Electricity Costs. 6.1. Calculating Power Consumption. Managing electricity costs is a significant consideration for any cryptocurrency mining operation. This section outlines how to calculate the power consumption of your mining equipment and provides guidance on estimating its impact on your utility bill. 6.2. Energy-efficient practices. Reducing electricity consumption not only lowers operational costs, but also contributes to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly mining operation. This chapter explores energy-efficient strategies for optimizing your mining setup, such as adjusting hardware settings to lower power consumption, implementing energy-efficient cooling solutions, considering the use of renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to power your mining operation. Implementing these practices not only reduces costs, but also minimizes the environmental footprint of your mining activities. Chapter 7. Security and Risks. 7.1. Security Best Practices. Securing your mining operation and the cryptocurrency you earn is paramount. This chapter offers a comprehensive guide to security best practices, including protecting your mining hardware from physical theft or damage, safeguarding your network from potential hacking attempts and cyber threats, securely managing and storing your cryptocurrency earnings in wallets, both online and offline. Following security best practices ensures that your mining rewards remain safe and protected from potential vulnerabilities and threats. 7.2. Mining Risks. Understanding the risks associated with cryptocurrency mining is crucial for developing a risk management strategy. This chapter explores various risks, including market volatility, hardware failure, regulatory changes, and operational challenges. By acknowledging these risks and devising a comprehensive risk management plan, you can mitigate potential challenges and losses, ensuring a more successful and sustainable cryptocurrency mining venture. With these additions, your book offers readers a comprehensive guide to cryptocurrency mining, covering everything from the fundamentals to advanced topics and practical considerations. Congratulations! You've completed Crypto Mining Made Easy, a step-by-step guide. With this knowledge, you're well-equipped to start your cryptocurrency mining journey or optimize your existing operation. Remember that mining can be competitive, so stay informed about industry developments and adapt your strategies accordingly. Additionally, be mindful of your environmental impact and strive for energy efficiency in your mining activities. Happy mining, and may your crypto rewards be bountiful.